It's so windy out, but everybody still wants something to eat. Lord, I'm praying that the wind doesn't take things down. If you can see, I'm tying, this board has come loose and this top part of the barn is starting to blow up. I'm so nervous. I just pray that I can find some more twine and take care of it. I just tied down that barn, and as you can see, I still haven't taken down my decorations, but God, look at my roof. Oh, please, please make it through this. This is scary. You notice my hat blew off earlier. I was like, why don't I have on my skull cap? Oh my God. You gotta love this life, right? Y'all warm over there? Y'all doing okay? I know it's cold, Mama.